do you think? Less talk, less sleep, less food,
Yeah.
and less interaction with people, and more
Dikhar.
Exactly, mashallah. Remembrance of Allah is the cleaning agent of the heart. Any form of remembering Allah, reading Quran, memorizing, asking Allah for forgiveness, doing morning and evening adhkar, saying subhanallah, reflecting on the nature, and you say, Ya Allah, what beauty is this? Who are you? You know, that's a dhikr. And this process continues. It's not one day or two. And you will see yourself gradually changing. Much more calmer, much more appreciative of what Allah gave you, less complaining, which is the problem of these days. Less complaining, less attached to the material things. If you have it, alhamdulillah. If you don't have it, alhamdulillah.